Hello and welcome to this explainer video for Piips. I'm Tasso, I'm the guy who made this app, and I'm going to show you how it works from both sides, so from the user and from the professional user side. So, if you follow me here on this screen, you can see what a feed looks like. It looks kind of like Twitter. It's short messages, and those messages, as you can see from this sort of white bit just above the message, this p/discovery or p/pub/best pint, shows you what the nature of the channel is that it's been posted on. So kind of why you should post, what sort of content you should post on it. It's basically the exact same thing as a subreddit, but you just reach people who are near you. So, for example, I could, let me see, I could post something on, what have I got here? I made one earlier for metal. Okay, so I can post something like, there we go, that's the one I was looking for. The Doom soundtrack. Although, must make sure everyone knows it's Doom 2016. Is extremely rad. Because that's true. And then if I wanted to, I could even make a sound recording in order to let people know kind of what I mean. Okay, so I save that, and anyone who wants to hear the broadcast can check it here. Okay, so I am broadcasting this on Pub Metal, and there we go. I have now let everyone within a radius of 50 kilometers know about this song, and I can start a discussion with everyone in London, or organize anything. Essentially, any type of person who I want to be in contact with, any type of subculture or group in my area, I can get in touch with them using Piips. Now, the second thing that's really useful about it is that you can use it to talk to venues. So we can now look at the second screen, which I've got going. And on this one, I am the fictional Jack's Booze Shack. Now, if I wanted to create something, I could, for example, I could post something, and as Jack's Booze Shack, I'm registered to restaurant. I'm officially a restaurant, so you can see here p/pro/restaurant. And I can say, hey, we are doing happy hour for, or let's say a flash happy hour for the next 30 minutes. So that's pretty enticing if I put that out there. So if I was Jack's Booze Shack, let's say that I've got a lot of, I've got a very empty room and I just want to get the first few people in. So I quickly do a flash sale like that, and let's see. Then if we return to the screen where I'm just me, I can go here, I can look on professional channels, I go on restaurants, see what restaurants are doing nearby. Okay, I can see that Jack's Booze Shack has got a flash happy hour and I'm in the area. Well, awesome. Okay, so what I do is that I go there and then I message them. You can see that I already kind of pre-wrote the message. And I say, hey, that sounds great. I'd love to book a table. I'll just write it again. Hey, I think, hey, I'm in the area. I'm in the area. Please reserve a table if you had to do that. Reserve me a table. And in this way, people can advertise essentially the value that they have to everybody in their vicinity. So the way to conceive of it is basically like a really hyper-localized Reddit. So it's for any subject, and it connects not just users but also businesses. And then in the end, it's like this really dense sort of social graph that works a little bit like an intranet for wherever you are. Okay, well, that's how it works. I hope you guys like it, and I look forward to seeing the comments.